Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited because my mom gave me this cart that she had in her basement just laying around. It's been in her house since she bought the house. I don't know how old it is. It might be an antique. I'm not sure. But anyway, I repurposed it and made it into a bar cart, and I styled it up for you guys. So I hope you enjoy this. So first I'm spraying it with the black Krylon paint and primer mix. I try to remember to spray 6 to 8 inches apart to keep the paint from running. So next I'm going to spray over the black with the Krylon Brilliant Gold Metallic. Now I did have to go over it a few times with the gold metallic to get it to really shine. So this is the cart all finished and decorated. Let me know in the comments if you like it. The little cheese tray that says Jazz Forever, I actually found at Home Goods. It was a nice surprise. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.